Hello and welcome to our tutorial on product sliders. Displaying products as a carousel or slider helps businesses to increase their product reach and introduce new products or featured products to customers. With Swipecart, you can leverage the product slider widget to achieve it. How to configure product slider. Select the app from your Swipecart dashboard. Click Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. Select Product Slider from the Widget panel drop-down. The Widget panel will list different UI variants to display your products. Drag and drop a suitable UI variant to the design section. For instance, if you are wondering how to add products to the slider, select Add/Edit Content. Here, start by adding the products to the slider in 3 ways. When you design the slider, you can choose any one of the 3 options. However, you cannot use any 2 or all 3 at a time. 1. Product from the drop-down, you can select and add suitable products to your slider. To add a custom image, you can upload an image from your computer using the Upload an Image section. We have a piece of good news. There is no limit on the size of the image. Swipecart compresses the image to the right size. Make sure that you add at least 3 products for the slider to activate. On adding all the products, click Save. 2. Collection. To add products using the collection option, select a collection from the drop-down. It will automatically retrieve the associated products. Your collection may have several products. Use these filters to display only the featured ones. Enter the number of products you want to display here. For example, if you add 6 as the number of products and choose Best Selling as the parameter, the top 6 best-selling products will appear in the slider. Ensure that you add at least 3 products for the slider to activate. Click Save. Recently. In this method, you can display the products recently viewed by the customer. You can customize this section with these 2 fields. Using the minimum viewed product field, you can enter the number of times should the customer view a product for it to appear in the slider. In the maximum number of products to show field, you can enter the number of products you want to show to your customers. Click Save. That's it. You have added the products to your product slider. Now, let's start customizing how you show the product slider. As you make changes in the Edit Style window, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. You can adjust the radius, padding, and container padding from here. In the Widget Title section, name the product slider. Also, you get to customize the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight from here. Through the Customize Images section, personalize the images to fill, cover, or contain each product. Enable the image padding toggle to adjust the padding. You can also change the color of the padding from here. With text control, configure to clip or wrap the text of your products. The background column lets you add custom colors or images to the product slider. On selecting color, you can add color to your slider. Click Image to upload an image for your slider. There are no limitations on the image size. You can upload any image and it will auto-adjust with your slider. Click None to have neither in place. Under the Product Data section, configure the information listed in the product slider. This is an important step in your customization. Here, you can choose to display vendor/brand name, product title, Add to Cart button, and Favorite button with the swipe of a toggle. Enable the product price toggle to display the price information in different formats. Since this is a dynamic field, copy/paste the price variables to the text field. Each box has a copy icon to copy the variables. Give me a minute and I will give you a brief on these 4 variables. With the max_price field, you can show the minimum selling price of the product range. The max_price field helps to display the maximum selling price of the product range. Using a compare_man_price field, you can list the original minimum price of the item before a sale. With the compare_max_price, you can show the original maximum price of the item before a sale. You can paste them in the format you want in the text field. To show the price with strike-through, enable this toggle. You can display the selling price along with the original price in a strike-through format. Select one UI variant for the strike-through. Turn on the display compare price first toggle to list the original price before the selling price. Enable show tag to display tag. You can choose a style from these variants and change the font color, background color, and position of your tag. In the choose variant, add a tag. Please note that if you enable the strike-through display, your custom price tag display format becomes disabled. Next, let's see how to display tags. Enable the product tags toggle. After that, configure the position of the tag. To add shadow to your slider, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Save the changes. To create a duplicate copy of your existing slider, hover over it and select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. To change the style variant of your product slider, select Edit View by hovering over it. Now, choose a suitable view from the predefined UI variant set. You can also remove this block by clicking Remove Block. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the product slider on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your product slider on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with using widgets in your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.